DJT Stock Wednesday. In this 1-minute video, I'm covering technical analysis and price predictions. So where is Trump media and technology stock going from the next upcoming days, weeks, and months? So looking at it, it's going 5% down. And honestly, I'm not even surprised. You know, it's in order for me to just continue to double down this bullish side, best thing to do was obviously would have been to just see like a clean double break, and then I would have taken it up. And from what we can see here, bro, like I'm still gonna look from a daily chart, and we almost kind of got it here on 13th of September, but you know, I just still needs to give me that double break in order for me to buy. If you didn't remember, this was the WAC. I think I've got something which was short side, but if you watch my videos, you're gonna know that it's a cool demand area here. Still try, I mean, this is kind of last hope, so I'm only really going to be bullish if there's bullish momentum. So if you want to learn how to achieve long-term consistent income without fear, click the first link in the description. It's a free course.